Hello, students of Bates Technical College. I'm here to help you register for classes online in a smooth and timely fashion. If you are a new student, then you must meet with your career advisor in order to register for classes. You can make an appointment by calling Student Services at 253-680-7002. Your advisor will help you tremendously in the registration process. They will make sure that you're registering for the right classes, have the correct item numbers, and are on track to graduate. If you are a continuing student, then you can speak with your instructor about which classes you need to enroll in. They'll set you on the right track. Now, in order to register online, you'll need to obtain your item numbers. There are 3 ways to get them. 1, your career advisor will provide them. 2, your instructor will provide them. Or 3, if you know what classes to take, you can use the class schedule to find them. To access the class schedule, go to my.batesetech.edu, scroll down to Quick Links, and open Class Schedule. Select the term or quarter you're registering for, your campus, and your subject. Once you have found the classes that you've been advised to take, write down the item numbers for each class. These are the codes that you'll need to register online. Next, return to the Quick Links section on MyBates. Click Register for Career and Gen Ed classes. You'll have to agree to enter the older version of the kiosk, then click on Web Registration. Now you'll have to log in. Your student ID number is the 9-digit number that your advisor or the registration department has given you. Your PIN number is your birthday with no dashes or slashes, just numbers. For example, if my birthday was October 7th, 1993, I would enter 100793. You'll have to confirm your identity here. If this information isn't correct, then please call Student Services at 253-680-7002, and they'll help you figure it out. Once you've confirmed that you are in fact who you say you are, then you'll add your item numbers into the boxes in the pink section on the left side of the screen. Click Submit/Add/Drop, and there you go, you're registered. Check to make sure everything looks correct on the right side of the screen and click Finish when you're done. If you are a continuing student, it is imperative that you complete this process. You will be unable to attend class if you're not registered. It's quick and easy, so there's no reason not to. And there you have it, how to register online at Bates Technical College.